Hi guys, I'm Zach from Nerdworks Media. Don't mind the mess behind me. In today's video, as you can tell, it's raining. However, I have
good news, everyone!
Callum willingly sacrificed his alternator so that my car could run so I could actually join my own run that I'm hosting. Thank you, Callum. You are actually a gift. Unfortunately, it is raining, so I don't think we are going to be able to go fast or do any actual Toge, but I will catch you guys up when we do. We're currently just at the first meetup location. Josh is here in his Subaru wagon. Callum is on his way, and I think we have another Miata joining us. Unfortunately, because of the rain, a lot of people didn't make it. Also, because I put on the group that my car was kind of dying, a lot of people assumed that it wasn't happening anymore because my car was dead. So yeah, I will catch you guys up firstly when more people actually arrive, and then secondly when we actually get to the Toge piece, because I don't know if I'm going to record the highway drive there because, well, nothing eventful is hopefully going to happen. Anyway, catch you guys now. Okay guys, so we okay guys, so we got to the mid location. We've actually all just had lunch. We're all here and chilling, and we are gonna go for a little bit of a Toge run now. The weather is still not brilliant, so I don't know how quick we'll be actually going, but yeah. Anyway, so I'll see you guys on the road. were a few potholes on that run.
Just a few, eh?
Fuck, dude, you nearly hit some that literally would have flipped my car. And I was like,
I know. I tried.
and I was like,
you guys can go back the same way you came in. That's how